Hi, my name is Izack and I am a Provisional Financial Advisor here at Watson Wealth. I've been here for a little over a year now and I've progressed from an Advisor Assistant to a Provisional Financial Advisor. You need to have an approved degree, so Financial Advisor Standard is usually the approved degree. Then you need to do a 12-month professional year, and so Watson Wealth provides a program that we can utilise and progress into a financial planner. For the structure of the professional year, it's divided into 4 quarters. So the first quarter is essentially sitting in on meetings and getting used to the structure while listening to the advisor. The second quarter is being supervised while being in meetings providing advice. And the third and fourth quarter is providing advice while someone else is shadowing yourself. So it's stepped out really well. It provides you with the confidence that you need to be able to provide financial advice. I applied for a financial planning assistant role at Watson Wealth, and then I worked with senior advisors and they gave me the knowledge and tools to then progress into a provisional financial advisor, and having their support was the key to be able to grow and develop into that role as an advisor. What I love about working at Watson Wealth is that it's given me the opportunity to enhance my skills through the professional year program. The senior advisors have really given me the time, knowledge and experience here to grow and develop into an advisor. It can be daunting at the start, so they've definitely helped me along the way to achieve my goals.